Hey guys, so we are actually working on the furnace again. It didn't come on last night. We decided not to turn it on, and we was just using our electric heater, and it didn't come on. So Mastermind over here, my baby, he fixed it. This little thing right here, this is an Atwood water heater, and we just turned this off. So that little, you got a reset switch off. Oops, I'm sorry. It's supposed to be off for about 2 minutes, and he unscrewed this and blew it out. Why is that loose?
We just snapped on.
Well, anyway, you got it. I got it. Let me turn it back this way. So he fixed it, and it's working again, so we should be able to have some heat. Okay, so what we have here is the picture of the furnace, and I'm going to just walk you through the steps that we went through to fix this, and then Tony will take over. So what you see up on the top right is it says reset and off. I read on YouTube or watched on YouTube that you're supposed to hit the off for 2 minutes and then hit reset. Then what you're supposed to do is turn on the furnace and watch for the number of flashes. We had one flash, so there was an airflow/limit fault, meaning the sale switch was damaged. So here's a picture of the sale switch. And what we did was purchase another one. Tony took these wires out and brought the sale switch inside. We took this out. We also dusted it off. We tried it again, and it didn't work. So I'm going to let him take over from here.
Okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm taking the cell switch off of the platform that they made, little square piece of plastic, and I had to get the right screwdrivers because you never have the right size. And I'm taking it off the old
Sale switch,
putting on the new cell switch, and it's a little dusty. I blew it off in the beginning, but then I just wiped that flat piece off. And this is the new cell switch, and it takes forever for them to put one in. It's a 10-minute job. They want $200 and some to do that. I had to put that in there because my wife didn't want me to do that. A $20 piece costs you $200 and some. It's a 10-minute fix. I'm putting the cell switch back on the little platform, the little plastic piece, and nothing fits right. You got to get a small screwdriver. I hate that.
Yeah.
Got to buy everything to fix one little thing, because they make things smaller, different sizes.
And they don't carry it locally, so we had to have it shipped in. I think we already said that, but we had to have it shipped in. Luckily, we didn't have to pay for the shipping, just the cost of the actual sale switch.
Yeah, and they wanted like 2 weeks to put it in.
And that'd be 2 weeks of no heat.
In the wintertime. And it took us 3 days. And we have heat.
We have heat, yay!
And now I'm finishing up, tightening the screws, checking it, making sure it's all tight. And I got to go back out in the cold. This is not something you want to do on a cold day.
No.
But if you have to, you got to do what you got to do. And we needed heat because it's supposed to be like 3 degrees today. So the night is going to be really cold. So hopefully this is going to work. I'm not an engineer, nothing, but it's a tough job.
But he did it.